Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Abstract Art Boutique. Today we're revisiting Silver Forest. That's the title for this one. The picture's great, but I've noticed, well, you can see a lot more detail when you shoot a video. Picture's worth 1,000 words, a video is worth a lot more than that. And I love how this one came out. I was a little concerned with the thickness of the silver. When I was making it, I was able to thin it out a bit. If you dilute silver too much, well, unless you have more silver, there's no coming back from that. You'll get a very see-through, watered down gray instead of this silver. So you have to be careful when you work with silver. If you're looking for that chrome metallic finish, you have to be pretty slow with your mixing when you're mixing paints to whatever density you like. These colors came together very, very nice. I've been on this color scheme for, I think this is my 4th painting, and I think on the next painting I will move on to a new color scheme. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Much appreciated. Love you guys, and catch you on the next one.